Good morning, Terry. I'm half awake. Here we go. Dear Pony Springs, could you make the cap a little bit longer? Thank you very much. Okay. 60 grams of water. Oh, that's a little bit too much. Back to 0. $60 grams of starter, right out of the fridge. Ooh. Well, that's a little too much. I've washed my hands. Perfect. Whiskey, 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 whiskey. So it's watery. $60 grams of flour, bread flour, King Arthur bread flour. Actually, I think I'm going to do 50 of bread flour. And 10 of rye, dark rye. Bob's Red Mill is where it's what I buy with my specialty items. There we go. Get the scale out. Whisk, whisk, whisk. I put a bra on just for you guys today, so that my boobs weren't sitting on the counter. And girls, they like to be held up. And I like to do this in a bowl because it mixes so much better. And I don't like dirty, messy jar sides. So, clean jar with a funnel. Hey, it grew. It more than doubled, so I gotta move fast. All right, 325 grams of water. Not even a full bottle. FCE, as they say in accounting, which stands for fucking close enough. Oh, it smells good, and it's kind of slightly crowned. So now I want to add 125 grams of starter. Not quite the whole bottle. And it floats like ivory soap. And I apologize in advance. Danny's grinding the dirt out from between the pavers on the patio. So it's going to get noisy. Oh, there we go. Oh, done. All right. Whiskey. See, it's watery. All right, back on the folded scale. Sorry, bad mouth. Flour. 500 grams of flour. Get that out of there. Just dump it in. Make sure you bring your scale back to 0. Whoa, Nelly. Oh, that's so good. It's 400. What did I say? 500. 450, 470, 489. $500. Bang. Okay, get the scale out of the way. Oh, salt. Sorry. Oop. Back here. 10 grams of salt. Oh. And a teaspoon of this. Sam, come in here. There you go. That's a good boy. Leave Daddy alone. I only use that powder when I'm using my long, narrow baking pan because the bread won't brown properly if I don't. All right, so I'm going to lift this up so you can see what's going on in the pan. Here we go. See? Easy peasy. And this is what we're going to make, a shaggy dough. Where's my boobs? It's not the dough. All right. Now, I'm going to show you the way I do this. This is the way I do this. It's so much easier than using that thing. So just keep going. And you want the dough to kind of look like this when you're done, but just have nothing stuck to the edge of the bowl. I'm going to turn you off for a minute. Okay, here's your shaggy dough. We're going to cover this for 30 minutes. And then we're going to do our first round of stretch and fold for a total of 3 rounds of stretch and fold. One's actually called slap and fold, and the other 2 are called stretch and fold. Not much of a difference. Okay, time for the slap and fold. Spray your counter. a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna turn it to the misty. All right, there we go. And I just washed the counter before we started. So, I'm gonna take the dough out of the bowl. Mix my hands. And you're gonna pick it up, and it feels kind of crunchy on this side. That's okay. So you're gonna slap it on that counter and fold it over. And I'll pick it up and slap it on the counter and fold it over. That's 2. See how it's already getting tight? 4, 5, 6, see, tight and smooth already. 7, 8, and now it's a ball. It's a ball, and I can put it in a smaller bowl. There we go, smaller bowl, much easier to handle. Where's my cloth? Oh, nice and clean. 30 minutes, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So, round 2 of stretch and fold. No, now it's stretch and fold. Now, the first one was slap and fold. Now we're gonna do, I gotta wipe that off, it's gross. Okay, round 2 and 3 are exactly the same. So I'm going to just do one of these videos. This is spray the counter. Spray your hands. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You turn it each time. 7, and no more than 8 times. Alright, so I've done that twice. So now we can put it in this container, which I spray with olive oil. Pop it in there. Cover it up. Oh, let me put a rubber band on it. Now, this could take between 2 and 5 hours for it to double in size. See ya. But I'm going to put it on the heating pad again, so it should rise faster. And this is called the bulk rise. Okay, it's almost 3 o'clock, and it doubled. And it's crowned. So, should have wet my hands first. And this time, we're gonna shape it like a square. And we're gonna turn in each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. And roll it a little bit. And pick it up. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time, we're done rolling it around. I'm going to leave it right here on the counter. Cover it up for the last 30 minutes. And then we'll do it with flour. Hi, it's 3:30. And I have just put some rice flour in here. I use rice flour because it doesn't burn. You want to have a nice light brown crust, not a black crust. So, rice flour. There you go. All right. Ta-da! This time, we're going to sprinkle regular flour on the hands and on the counter. This is kind of a repeat of that first video I did. But we'll do it again because it's fun. Okay, so again, shape it into a square. It's going to be a small loaf, doesn't look very big. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's nice and soft and fluffy. I like it. Roll it a little bit. Lost it. Tighten it up. I don't like it when it tears. So I'm supposed to do that. Let's just put it in there. Get this done. I go pinch, 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 an inch, pinch, pinch. Stretch it out a little bit. It'll fill out while it sits in the fridge overnight. Disposable shower cap. I put a little hole in it so it's air so it doesn't stick. Bye in the fridge. See you tomorrow. Good morning. It's 6:41. Pan at the bottom of the oven. That's to put ice cubes on for round 2 of baking. See you in 25. There it is, all done. Pretty design. Nice and light on the bottom, and that's what the ice does too. The tray and the ice keeps the bottom from burning. Done. Bread. Can you smell it?